Motorola is planning to launch a smartphone model name is Motorola Edge X30 Pro. The launch event was expected to happen on past Tuesday, August 2nd. However, the event was cancelled a few hours before it. According to speculation, the reason is the growing tensions between China and Taiwan. We'll have to wait a few more days. World's first commercially available mobile 200MP camera. The second will be the company's new take on the RAZR series. Motorola is preparing a new duo of flagship smartphones for the market. The first is the Motorola Edge X30 Pro, which will bring the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Motorola Moto Edge X30 Pro quick specifications. Dual SIM, 3G, 4G, 5G, VoLTE, Wi-Fi, NFC. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, octa-core, 3.2 GHz processor. 8GB RAM, 128GB inbuilt. 4450 mAh battery with fast charging. 6.67 inches, 1080 x 2340 px, 144 Hz display with punch hole. 200MP plus 50MP plus 12MP triple rear and 60MP front camera. Android V12. No FM radio, full specifications. General. Android V12. Side fingerprint sensor. Display. 6.73-inch, OLED screen. 1080 x 2400 pixels 391 pixels. Always on display, HDR10+, DCI-P3 color space DC dimming, SGS Blue Eye certification. Corning Gorilla Glass. 144 Hz refresh rate. Punch hole display. Camera. 200MP plus 50MP plus 12MP triple rear camera with OIE save range. 8K at 24 FPS UHD video recording. 60MP front camera average. Technical. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset. 3.2 GHz, octa-core processor fast. 8GB RAM average. 128GB inbuilt memory average. Memory card not supported. Connectivity. 4G, 5G, VoLTE. Bluetooth v5.3, Wi-Fi, NFC. USB-C v3.1. Battery. 4500 mAh battery average. 125 watts fast charging. Reverse charging. Wireless charging, 15 watts.